In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Close CRM paid subscription. Whether you're looking to switch to a different service or simply need to cut down on expenses, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together to ensure you can do it smoothly and with confidence. First, you'll want to start on your Close CRM homepage. This is your main dashboard where you typically manage all your tasks and activities. Make sure you're logged in with the credentials associated with your subscription. This is crucial because you'll need access to the account settings to proceed with the cancellation. Once you're on the homepage, navigate over to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the settings option. Clicking on this will take you into the back end of your Close CRM account where various management options are available. The settings option is your gateway to adjusting the specifics of your account, including billing and subscription details. After accessing the settings menu, look for the option labeled Plan. This section is dedicated to all things related to your subscription plan. It outlines the current plan you are subscribed to, the features included, and, most importantly, options for modifying or canceling your plan. Within the Plan section, keep an eye out for the Cancel Subscription option. It's typically visible only if you are currently subscribed to a paid plan. This is your final step in the cancellation process. Clicking on Cancel Subscription will guide you through the necessary steps to terminate your plan. Be sure to follow any prompts carefully, as they may include important information about the cancellation, such as cutoff dates or potential fees. Before you hit that final Confirm button, it might be wise to double-check any terms regarding the cancellation. Sometimes, services have policies that could involve prorated refunds or specific notice periods. Understanding these details can prevent unexpected charges or disruptions. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively cancel your Close CRM paid subscription. Remember, if you encounter any issues or uncertainties during the process, reaching out to Close CRM's customer support can provide additional guidance and support to ensure everything is handled smoothly. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to manage your Close CRM subscription. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step solutions to your tech challenges. Have a great day and see you in the next video.